Hello everyone, I'm Pallavi and today we are going to talk about ad hoc reporting in Infor M3. Ad hoc reporting is a tool within M3 Business Engine where M3 users can create flexible and user-defined operational reports. The ad hoc reporting tool comes pre-populated with M3 table definitions, standard sorting orders, and views. With Ad hoc Report Designer, you can simulate a design before runtime. The output of an ad hoc report is always an XAML file that is created by a batch job. Ad hoc report versions can be saved and then submitted later on online or through M3's job scheduler. We will now have a look at what could be a very high-level steps to create an ad hoc report in M3. To begin creating a new ad hoc report, we first need to create an ad hoc report group in the program function AHS100. This creates a custom report groups. We then need to define a new ad hoc report in the program function AHS110. Individual ad hoc reports are defined within an ad hoc report group. To modify ad hoc reports, filters and selections, you can use the ad hoc report designer where we have different views, sorts, related tables and virtual fields defined as per the requirement of the report. We can also save, close and lock the report. Locking of the report helps us to prevent other users from modifying the report. To run the report, we use the program function AHS110. Another very good feature of an ad hoc reporting in M3 is that we can have some level of segregation of duty. That is, we can add user to the report. This helps to segregate users who can view the report from the report designers. Users can view the report from the function AHS200 while the report designers can use the program function AHS100 to design an ad hoc report. Let us now sign in to our M3 environment and see what and how can we create an ad hoc report group. As you can see, I've already signed into M3 and I'm using the program function AHS100 ad hoc report group.open to walk you through ad hoc reporting. For the purpose of this demonstration, I have already created an ad hoc report group by the name of test. This ad hoc report group has an ad hoc report attached to it. I will highlight the report group and right-click on it. Use the related function to see what are the different operations that can be performed on this test report group. I will go to ad hoc report. This redirects me to the program function AHS110 where you can define a new ad hoc report. For the purpose of the demonstration, an ad hoc report has already been created and the report is a test inventory report which is locked. Locking prevents the user from modifying the report that I created. Again, on selecting the report and right-clicking and selecting the related options, you see there are several operations that are available to us. We can run the ad hoc report from AHS110. We can even design the ad hoc report, or we can attach a user to the ad hoc report. Let us now walk through how to design an ad hoc report. As this is an inventory level report, you can see that I have a basic layout based on the master table laid out here where there is the information of the inventory. The design options available to me is number of filters, where I have used a warehouse, which allows me to filter the report based on the warehouse number. I have filtered the report based on the warehouse number 100, and therefore I have all the lines showing the warehouse 100 item numbers. I also have a subtotal based on item number designed for this report. This gives me a total of the on-hand approved balance of a particular item. I have also used the aggregation function for this report. The aggregation function is based on warehouse, item number, location. Using this aggregation, you can see there is a drill down operation available for me. If I drill down, I can see what are the different item numbers, their different locations, lot numbers, containers, and on-hand approved quantity. However, in the drill up version of the report, I only get the warehouse, the item number, and the total on-hand approved quantity for that particular item. Thus, by using all the different design parameters available to us, we can design an ad hoc report as and when required for us and whatever relevant information we want to display. Going back, if I right click on the report and select the option of ad hoc report run.open, it shows what are the different reports that I have ran and when was the report ran. Again, another function that is available to us is run an ad hoc report. While selecting this option, you can see what is the report text, where is the report location stored, and it also gives us a feature of email information. When I enter the ad hoc email address over here, I can email the ad hoc report to the concerned users in the PDF format as the file type selected is PDF. Going back, if we select ad hoc report by user.connect, it shows me what are the different users that have access to this report, and they can use the program function of AHS200 to just run the report and use it for their own purposes. Thus, by the end of this video, I hope we have a fair understanding of how we can create operational ad hoc reports in M3 environment and how different design parameters could be used to cater to the need of the report that we want to design. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for your time.